Welcome to Attainable Green. I'm Jess, and today we're going to be talking about my Dendrobium Victoria Reginae, and this is a carecollab update with Ninja Orchids, Fernanda Nascimento Orchids and Succulents, and Svetlana Orchid Passions in Deutschland. We're going to share how we grow this plant and any updates we've had from our previous carecollab videos. So the Victoria Reginae is this beautiful, stunning plant with these blue-purple flowers. And in my case, my plant is still quite young. It has 2 canes and one is completely leafless, and the second one is considered a newer growth that was maturing when we were last talking about it. Since then, there has been a surprising development with my plant. And no, it's not flowers. In fact, it was attacked by snails. One day I was watering my plants and I looked and I saw this giant snail munching on the leaves of my Dendrobium Victoria Reginae. Needless to say, I quickly plucked it off and put it away. As for the plant itself, you can see all the damage that has been done. A lot of the leaves have been chewed off, dried out, and luckily the crown has not been damaged, so the top of the plant can still grow. But I'm hoping that there is actually a new growth that will emerge so that this plant can continue to grow and live on. Because I grow my plant outdoors, the snails and slugs are really attracted to my dendrobiums. So I'm gonna have to start moving this one inside to just protect it from being chewed on. This plant definitely likes cooler temperatures, so I'm going to try to maintain it in a cooler setting, but still give it the bright light that it needs so that it can continue to grow and extend the latest cane. I'm really hoping that it'll get nice and fat and I can maintain the waterings of this plant so that it will look as healthy as possible, and hopefully later in the season we can see a new growth emerge, and hopefully we will stop the pests from attacking my dendrobium. Because the plant has lost a good portion of its leaves, it's not able to photosynthesize at the same level or rate that it should be to sustain the plant of this size. The growth will probably be slower than usual because there's just not enough surface area to create enough energy for this plant. So I'm really hoping that a new growth will emerge and that I can take better care of that. So although this update doesn't have any flowers to share, and it's not necessarily the most positive news for this update, this is part of the learning process, and sometimes you gotta troubleshoot things that happen with your plants that you just cannot always control. I'm really interested to see what the other YouTube channels are going to do and how their plants are doing at this time. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Attainable Green to follow along on my orchid growing journey. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!